Okay, last video, I showed you how to build the legs for my giant mech. Now I'm going to show you how to build this arm and probably the other arm too. So this first hand piece is just these fingers with swords and these tubes with clips and bars on them that make these fingers with these little claw pieces connecting to this main bar piece. And then there's another 1x1 with a clip on the top connected to this like motorcycle handlebar piece. And then there's another clip piece with a clip in the middle and a dark like fist thing. And then there's this right here is just the clip to a ball joint is the socket part of it. And there is this just red plate at the bottom holding it all together. The section right above the hand is this round disc with this kind of like dome shape and the tube on top, which is connected to this 2x2 plate with a stud on top. And then there's two ball joint pieces with two clear pieces, two trans like cyan clear pieces, one here and one here. This one right here is another one of the like the version of this, but for the bottom is right here. For the section right above that, we have this piece, which is just a long tube, this long tube with the socket piece and the ball joint here. This grate piece with like the bar things, another motorcycle handle with a gray piece with the clip on the end. This right here is the same half socket, half ball joint piece, and then there's this gray socket with a fist attached to it. Then on top of that is a 1x2 plate with a stud in the middle, which connects to this traffic light. And now for the shoulder, we have this piece right here with the steering wheel piece with this curved 1x2 plate. And then right here we have this piece that's like a 1x2 that comes up here and then has these two little things here. And then there's this long plate here that connects to a socket, which then there's another socket thing right here. Just a regular gray plate back here, and then all the way in the back we have this ring display from a Sonic set. That is the arm. My apologies, I showed it off incorrectly. I had this thing flipped when I shouldn't have. This is the arm. Now we have the other arm, which first off we have this hand, which uses the same finger technique as the last arm, except without the giant swords. We have this like mechanical looking plate right here. If this camera will even focus, there we are. This trident with this round plate with the hole going through, and then this thing I got from a Silver the Hedgehog set with a gray fist here, socket here, like a claw here. The bottom is quite simple with the back like that, with this being a long socket joint going through the middle right here, with the lower arm being these angled grate slopes with these like vent grate type design. These clip pieces, this clip piece right here with this long black plate with a ball for a ball and socket joint, this curved plate here, and then some basic plates in the middle. And now we have this piece, which is just a bar with these two pieces, these two slope pieces coming up, the steering wheel with this plate with the stud thing hanging off, and then just some basic pieces for the bottom.